Magandang araw mga kautol. And for today's video, ituturo naman natin ang Last Christmas. So bago natin simulan yung dance tutorial, ay mirror muna natin itong video. Let's go! So ayun na nga mga kautol, mirror tayo. Ibig sabihin kung nakaharap ka sa akin kung ano yung side na igagalaw ko, ay yun din ang side na igagalaw mo. Ito ang ating kanan at ito ang ating kaliwa. So simulan natin sa figure 1. Sa figure 1 natin mga kautol, isasalok mo lang yung kanang kamay mo papuntang kaliwa. Then pitek. Magko-close yung paang kanan. Then pitek. Then we will do the same thing. Kabila naman, kaliwa ang ihahagod. And then pitek. So after mo dito, cross lang sa balikat. And then open. And then turo sa harap. Okay? So cross, open, turo. And then bubuo ka ng puso sa harap. Okay? From here to here. Okay? So ulitin natin. It's boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom, boom. Pag nilagyan natin ng countings, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is our figure 1. Christmas, I gave you my heart. Para naman sa figure 2 natin mga kautol, ihahatak mo lang yung kamay mo sa bandang chest, step mo yung kaliwa, hatak yung kanang kamay, and then palobo. Okay? Yung kamay papuntang kanan. Okay? So it's boom, boom. Gagawin naman natin sa kaliwa, step mo naman yung kanan, boom, boom. Palobo, dun naman sa kaliwa, ibabato yung palobo. Okay? So it's boom, boom, and boom, boom. Pagkayari mo dito, kuha ka dito sa bandang baba, then kuha ka sa bandang taas, and then wave yung katawan. Tapos yung kamay mo ay iahagod mo sa ulo. Okay, so it's boom, boom, and then wave. Okay, so pag ginawa natin siya, it's boom, boom, and boom, boom, and boom, 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 boom. Pag nilagyan natin ng countings, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is our figure 2. The very next day, you gave it away. The very next day, you gave it away. Christmas, I gave you my heart. But the very next day, you gave it away. Para naman sa figure 3 natin mga kautol, hahagod ka lang dito, okay, sa bandang taas ng dibdib ng kaliwa. Then, ipupunta mo siya dito sa kanan. And then, magwe-wave yung katawan mo papuntang kanan. So, it's wave, hagod. And then, kabila naman, wave, hagod. Kaliwang kamay mo naman ang gagamitin. Yung katawan mo naman ay mapupunta sa side ng kaliwa. So, it's wave, hagod, and wave, hagod. Pagkayaring nito, kekembot ka lang ng 4 na beses. So, kanan, kaliwa, kaliwa. And then, ang kasabay nung kembot, yung unang dalawang kembot, which is right and tsaka left, igaganon mo lang yung kamay mo sa bandang baba. Okay, so it's boom, boom. Yung dalawang kembot naman, right and left din, magpapaulan ka rito sa harap. So, it's boom, boom. Pag ginawa natin yung 4 counts na yon, it's boom, boom, and boom, boom. Okay? So, pag pinagdugtong natin si figure 3, it's boom, 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 and boom, 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 boom. Pag nilagyan natin ng countings, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is our figure 3. This year, to save me from tears. This year, to save me from tears. Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears. Para naman sa figure 4 natin, itutuloy mo lang yung kembot mo ng kanan, kaliwa, 4 na beses yon. And then, yung kasabay na kamay niya, pag kumembot ka sa kanan, isisiko mo yung kanang kamay mo sa kanan.
Okay? Pag kumembot ka sa kaliwa, isisiko mo naman yung siko mo sa kaliwa. Another kembot sa kanan, igaganito mo yung kamay mo sa harap. And another kembot sa kaliwa, igaganito mo naman yung kanan mo sa harap. Okay? So pag ginawa natin yung 4 counts na yun, it's boom, boom, and boom, boom. Ganun kasimple. Again, it's boom, 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 boom. Pagkayari mo dito, continuous lang, nakaganito yung kamay mo, and then kembot ka sa kanan, kaliwa, kanan, and then kaliwa. Yun yung another 4 counts. So pag ginawa natin siya ng buo, it's boom, 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 and boom, 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 boom. Pag nilagyan natin ng countings, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is our figure 4.
I'll give it to someone special. Oh yeah.
I'll give it to someone special.
Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. Oh yeah.
So, ano pang hinihintay natin mga ka-utol? Sabay-sabay natin sayawin ang Last Christmas. In 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. Oh yeah.
So mga ka-utol, kung nagustuhan nyo yung dance tutorial natin for today, I don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell button para lagi kayo updated sa mga moves ng inyong ka-utol. Hanggang sa muli, babush!